This person got a little too close to the blowhole of a whale.
I cannot.
This snowboarder triggered an avalanche and this rabbit was about to get buried. The rabbit was so fast that it ran over the top of the avalanche and escaped. This thing is the very definition of an all-terrain vehicle. These scientists wanted to observe the aerodynamics of birds by having them fly through soap bubbles. There's a strange science experiment called the Pharaoh Serpent that can make it look like you spawned something from another world. A wakeboarder found a perfectly flat lake to ride on. This drone got a little too close to this crocodile. This is how dangerous the coronavirus is compared to other, more notable recent outbreaks.
See?
That's the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new.